Yo, 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 what's up, gang? You know what day it is today? It's wheel time. I got a call from Alex over at Vibe Motorsport, and it looks like my wheels are in, so we're gonna go get those installed today. I'm pretty excited. I did end up switching the wheels into a different spec. I know I mentioned on an IG post I posted on my story that I got a pair of Avant-Gardes, but I ended up going with a pair of HREs instead. So I'm pretty excited about those. But yo, I want to show y'all real quick my old set of wheels that I had on my old car. Okay, so these are the set I had, a set of AGs on my last Beamer. Unfortunately, these don't fit my new car, so if you guys are interested, I do have these just literally sitting in my fucking closet. So if you do need a set of 18, I think these are 18s, hit me up for BMW 5x120 spec. So any 18 Beamer should fit as long as the offset's right. But yeah, yo, let's get it. You know what time it is. This is the final look with the stock wheels on them. We'll do a walk around once the new wheels are installed. Alright guys, what do you think about these wheels? HRE FF04 right here. Going on the car today. Alright guys, so it's official. We got the wheels on the car and it looks sick as fuck. I'm super excited to show you guys, and here are some clips right now. Alright guys, so we got the wheels officially installed on the Beamer and they look super sick. Big shout out to Vibe Motorsports. You guys really killed it. You did an awesome, fantastic job. I've had the wheels for a couple weeks and honestly they've been absolutely fantastic. So thank y'all for vibing out. I'm curious though, what do y'all want to see for the next mod for the Beamer? Should I lower it? Should I wrap it? Exhaust? I'm thinking. But yeah, y'all already know what time it is. Stay tuned for the next one.